What's up, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, man. I know you guys haven't seen me do that prank in a long while. As you guys see by the title, man, I'm gonna do a breakup prank on our 2-year anniversary. Now, here's the thing, though. I haven't did a prank in a while, like long while. You guys seen Shy, she been doing all this prank on me, blah blah. But I've been letting it slide, because I'm gonna get her and she don't expect it, you know. And then I know our anniversary was coming, so I was planning this prank for a long while. As you guys can see, I'm not even in the room, I'm not even in the living room, I'm way across the house, I'm by the stairs, you know what I'm saying? I think she's in the restroom taking a shower. But basically, I'm pretty sure y'all guys seen breakup prank all over YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But this one's gonna be special because this is on our anniversary. It's supposed to be a special day for us. And we're supposed to go to dinner after this. Well, she's getting ready, she's taking a shower so we can go to dinner. I already took my shower. I just put the shirt on because I ain't feel like putting the shirt on. I'm feeling weird. But we're supposed to go to dinner after this, so I don't know. Hopefully we still go to dinner, man. Hopefully she still love me after this prank. Hopefully we still go to dinner. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Team Javon, man. Javon is back, man. You know what I'm saying? 2020, we're going all the way up, baby. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing, we ain't laughing with it. I got a lot of pranks in mind, but you guys not gonna see back-to-back pranks from me because I'm trying to space my prank out because Javon is smart. She gonna know when I got a prank. I know I need to hurry before she come out the restroom, but guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. We're going up all the way to 2020, you know what I'm saying? GG's. Oh, thank you guys for 300 subscribers. On the way to 400. Don't mind my little dance. I can't dance. Hey, I know I can't dance. I ain't asked you, but I got you, man. I'm finna go set the camera up and then we're gonna dive into this prank.
You always eat my kiwi.
You just took a sheet. You just took a sheet, bro. You're all up on me.
Shut up. So I could be on you.
You gonna take your shower, bro.
I could be on you.
You gonna take your shower. Chill, man. Watching TV.
What is you doing?
Watching TV.
So I always be on you when you watch the TV.
Hey, chill out. What's wrong with you?
Move my hand one more time.
All right.
Move my hand one more time. It's not a baby.
Hey, come.
Javon,
What?
what is you doing?
I'm trying to watch the game. Like, I ain't got time.
Okay,
I ain't got
you
time
acting
for,
like me putting my arm
But I
around
ain't
you.
got time for no lovey-dovey shit no right now, bro. But I know you, bro. You gonna start kissing me and all that shit. I already know you.
No, I'm not. Come on.
Hey, chill out, bro.
Javon, I'm just laying on you. What's wrong with me laying on you, huh?
Nothing wrong, bro. I'm just trying to watch the game, please. You was in the restroom the whole time.
Okay, what you tripping for?
I'm not tripping. I just want to watch the game.
You can watch the game with me on you.
No, because you gonna start touching me and rubbing me on like you gonna distract me while I'm watching the game. It's the playoff. I'm trying to watch the game.
I don't care about no playoffs.
I don't care if you can.
What's wrong with you? I just went in there and nothing was wrong with you.
You ain't just minute. You was in there a whole minute, bro.
I was not.
You was in there a whole minute.
Okay, what's wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with that.
What's wrong with you?
Can you leave me alone? Jeez.
Who got your panties in the bunch? Babe, what's wrong?
There's nothing wrong with it.
It seemed like something wrong. I know when something's wrong.
Okay,
with
I don't
you.
want to talk about it right now.
Why?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why? You don't think I don't know when there's something wrong with you? I've known you for 2 years.
Okay,
I know what's wrong with
you're
you.
not gonna play with the balloons or something.
Why would I play with the balloons for? Do I like a freaking 2-year-old?
It's your balloon.
I'm a grown woman.
So what do you mean?
What you want me to do with a balloon?
I don't know. Pop it.
I'm not popping it.
Really gonna keep it for souvenir?
Yes. What's wrong with you? Yes, it is. It is something wrong with you. There's something wrong with you.
Okay, what you want me to tell you about it?
Yes.
Look at them tired of you. You're just tired of you.
How you tired of me?
Tired of you.
Tired of me how?
Because you're just annoying.
How am I annoying?
Because you always do stuff like this. Like,
Like
I'm
what?
watching game, you gonna jump on me like, I'm watching
Okay,
game.
I was just laying on you, Javon.
Well, when you sleeping, when I'm messing you all, but when it's my time for my time, you don't want to listen.
That's different.
How is it different?
Because you mess with me while I'm asleep.
So.
You shut up.
Just go play your phone or something.
I'm not a child. Don't speak to me like I'm a child. How do I annoy you? We do the same thing to each other. How do I annoy you? If anything, you annoy me. What? What?
Babe, can you just leave me alone?
I'm trying to find out what's wrong with you.
Okay. You want me to be real?
Be real. That's the only way to be.
I'm be real. Like when I say don't get mad, no, don't get mad.
Okay. Do I ever get mad?
I'm trying to hold it in for another day. I feel like this right now is not the time.
Right now, it's not time for what?
Today's our anniversary. I don't feel like today's the time to talk about this right now, but I'm just letting it out. I don't want to be with you no more.
You don't want to be with who?
You?
Bro, what's wrong with you?
You say you want me to tell you, I'm telling you, I don't want to be with you no more. Like, I know I got you all this gift just because I didn't want you to feel bad on a special day, so I'm trying to break up with you in a good note. Since you want me to tell you, so I'll tell you. Leave me alone.
How you want to break off with me in a good note? That's not a good note.
So you want to break off with you and everybody gonna cheat on you on this?
You're not stupid.
But that's what you're right. That's what I'm telling you right now in a good way. So you can leave me alone. Jeez.
Where you going?
I'm gonna sit right here because you.
Why?
You know it right now, bro.
Okay, that ain't no difference when you sit next to me. What are
Can
you
you leave me
doing?
alone? I don't want to be with you no more.
Okay, well we have to talk about it. Why you don't
There's
want
nothing
to
to talk about. It's a whole reason why I was sitting here because I didn't want to talk about it. There's nothing to talk about. Can you just leave me alone?
Yes, it is. Don't be doing my stuff like that.
Take your shit down, go then, nigga.
Go where?
Go home.
I am home.
You taking everything for a joke, bro.
No, because you funny right now.
I'm funny. I'm being free. I'm not laughing. I'm dead ass being free. This is why I didn't want to talk about it because you're not going to believe me. This is why I was just chilling in the bed. Just
Okay, so
leave
you
me alone.
was gonna break up with me tomorrow. Javon, we just celebrated our anniversary. Why are you buying all all this stuff if you want to break up with me?
Because it's a special occasion. I didn't want you to feel bad, but I just can't.
Okay,
avoid
now
it.
I feel worse.
I can't.
I feel worse now.
Okay, that's you. You wanted to know something to me. If you would have waited tomorrow, next day.
That would have been even worse, Javon.
I don't care. Today's worse because it's a special day, and you don't want to listen because you want to know this. You want.
Why would you want to break up with me anyway?
Because I'm just tired.
I did nothing to you. I did nothing to you. I did
Can
nothing
you let
to
me speak?
you.
You say you want to speak, but no, you don't want me to talk.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm just tired of you. I'm just tired. Like I'm just tired. Like I've been living. Like we've been living together for the past 2 years, whatever the year may be. I'm just tired of you now. I'm just tired. You just annoying me. I mean, tired of it. Like if you realize I've been being distant for the past couple of days. So, you must know.
You tired of me.
But I don't talk about this right now. So you can just.
If you breaking up with me, why you keep calling me babe? Huh?
Because it's a habit.
So?
But let's take a step and go.
I'm not going nowhere.
Let's take a step and go.
I'm not going nowhere. So, whatever. We're just gonna sit here looking stupid. Because I'm not going nowhere. I don't care.
It's either you gonna take it tomorrow or I'm gonna toss them over. One or two.
Don't touch my shit.
So, bro, let's take a shit and go.
Don't kick my stuff.
Let's take a shit and
Don't
go.
kick my stuff.
It's either one or two you want me to take because I wasn't gonna do this. I was gonna do this tomorrow.
Why would you do it tomorrow? Why would you do it tomorrow?
Because today's a special occasion. I didn't want to just break it off today. That's why I was trying to leave it alone. But you keep insisting what happened. So let's take yourself and go, bro. Call an Uber, the grand company.
I'm not calling no Uber.
Take it, bro. Take your stuff and go, bro. Like, go, bro.
You go.
Where's your suitcase? You think I'm playing, bro?
You think I'm playing? I'm not going nowhere. I don't care. Go grab whatever you want to grab. Shoot. I was born without clothes, boo. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Go home, bro.
Nope, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Nope. Throw my stuff out. Put it back in there. Stop.
Go. Grab my bag.
Put my stuff back in there.
Go home.
Put my stuff back.
Tired of shit.
Stop. Don't throw my stuff out.
Go home, bro.
Javon, stop throwing my clothes out.
Go home. I gotta go home, nigga. I'm tired of shit.
No, me throwing
So
my
why you gonna hit me
stuff
for?
because
What
you
if I
acting
hit you back?
stupid. Hit me.
Let's go, bro.
Hit me,
Let's
nigga.
go.
Hit me. Hit me if you crazy. Hit me. I'm not going nowhere. I don't care. I'll fold all these back and put them right back in their drawer.
Bro, go, bro.
I'm not
Go.
going nowhere. Don't push me.
Get out.
Don't push me.
I'll show you out. I
Don't
don't
push
care. I'll
me.
show you out. Nigga.
Throw me out where?
Go.
I got a key, boo. I got a key. Don't touch me.
Get out.
Do not touch me.
Bro, I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing for. Get
Yeah,
out,
you,
bro.
well, you funny. You funny as hell right
Bro,
now.
get out, bro.
Stop. Do not yank me. Don't yank me. Get your hand off me.
I'm gonna call
Don't
Granny.
yank
You or somebody come.
Yeah, call Brittany. Call Brittany. Call her.
Let's come out, bro. Get out,
No,
bro.
don't. Let me go.
Bro, girl, bro.
Stop.
Like, you laughing like shit's a joke. I'm not
Cause you funny. You're real funny.
Go, let's go.
Don't be bringing on me.
Why you doing that for?
Cause you acting stupid. I'm not going nowhere. I don't need these clothes anyways. I'm not going nowhere. Kick my shit. Kick my shit.
What are you doing?
You leave.
Leave my stuff alone.
You leave.
Go, bro.
You leave.
Bro, go, bro. I'm not
Don't
playing.
touch me.
Go, bro.
Don't
Go.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Bro, go, bro.
Push
Go
me
home,
again.
man.
Push me again. I'm
There's
not going
nothing here
nowhere.
for you no
I'm not
more.
going
I'm
nowhere.
done
I'm
with
not
you.
going
Nothing here for you
nowhere.
no
I don't
more.
care. I don't care.
So what you gonna do? You gonna
You done with me. I'm not done with you. We're not done, boo.
says who?
Me.
Alright, shit. When I bring another girl in here,
Bring
I'm
her.
stabbing shit like this. Then
Bring her. Bring her. We can talk about it. Bring her.
Bro, shit. Bro, shit. Bro, shit. No.
Don't push me. Don't push me. I'm not playing with you.
Go.
Don't freaking
Bro, I don't want to fight right now. Let's
Don't
go,
push
bro.
me.
Let's go.
Do not push me,
Let's go
then.
home.
Don't push me. I'm not playing with you.
Go, let's go home.
Don't put
bro.
your hand on me.
Get off my bed.
Don't put your hand on me. This is our bed, boo.
Yeah, then you
This
didn't pay for it.
our bed. I don't care. The moment I slept on this bed, this is our bed.
Let's go home, bro. Go.
Don't push me.
Go.
Don't push me.
Go.
Move. Stop.
Go, bro. I don't want you to go.
I don't care. Don't push me.
Why you take my shit out the drawer for?
Because you took mine out.
Cause I'm kicking you out.
Shoot, I'm kicking you out.
You're gonna kick me out of my own house.
We're going to be kicked out together. How about that? I'm not going nowhere. Stop before you give me a heart attack.
Go, shit. You didn't leave thing.
No, I'm not going.
Thing causing all this.
I'm not going nowhere.
Making us your mess.
You making a mess. You the one started it first.
Go, don't throw my shit.
I don't care. I'm not going nowhere.
She stay there.
I'm going to stay. That's all I needed to hear. Let me stay down. You want me to stay.
What?
So, you breaking up with the wrong person. I don't do breakups, boo. We ain't breaking nothing up. Nothing. So,
Bro, why you got your candy all over your damn? Let's get out, bro. Get out, bro. Let's leave already.
who yelling at?
I'm talking to you, man. I'm talking to this shit. Let's go.
What shit? I don't do anything to you.
That's the whole point. Let's go. You don't have to do anything for you to go. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nope.
Let's go.
Nope.
Okay, let's go.
You ugly. I'm not going nowhere.
You know, damn bro.
Good. Should be.
What's some damn piece of your damn candy? Why you eat damn candy?
You the one had that.
Oh,
You
you
bought
eat
it for
candy,
me.
so?
You bought it for me.
So you still take, but you can at least put your shit back in the bag, no?
You had that.
I got time for your shit, bro.
I ain't got time for your shit. So sit here. We're gonna watch the game, and I'm
You
gonna
ain't
let
watching
you.
shit, cause you finna go.
I'm not going
You think
nowhere.
I'm joking, bro? I'm finna pick
You
your
are joking.
I'm finna pick your sorry. That's gonna kick your ass out. That's what I'm
Pick
finna
me
do.
up.
Your goat looking ass. Go, get up, bro.
You look like a goat.
Shit.
Don't throw nothing at me. I'm not playing with
Show
you.
my shit, nigga. When I watch my TV, nigga.
I don't care about your TV. Shit.
Like, why you still here?
Cause
I don't use anymore. There's nothing here for me.
I am invested. We are invested.
She investing in
In us, exactly.
Yourself.
In us.
Yourself,
In us.
nigga. Yourself.
In us. We are invested.
Go.
Don't
Bro,
push-
let's go, bro.
Don't push me.
Go. Shit, go.
Keep pushing me. Keep
Go.
pushing me. Keep pushing me. I'm gonna show you. Keep pushing me.
Let's go.
Stop pushing me.
Bro, don't curse on me, bro.
I don't care. You cursed at me. I'm cursing at you.
Bro, why you keep hitting me for?
Because you keep throwing stuff at me. What you laughing for? Don't touch me. No. Do not touch me. Don't touch me because you're being stupid. Move.
It's a prank, babe.
A prank my ass. You just literally drugged me off this bed.
It's a prank. Stop. You broke my neck. It's a prank.
I don't care about your neck. Your neck is thick. It'll be alright.
Give me a kiss, babe.
No, I'm not kissing nothing.
It's a
I'm
prank.
not kissing nothing.
It's a
I'm not
prank.
kissing nothing. Thank you. Nope.
It's a
No.
prank, bro. It's stupid.
Don't talk to me.
I had the camera way behind the TV. Ooh, them boys. Woo! It's a prank, baby. Come on now. It's a prank. All these damn pranks you been doing at me, know you mad.
I don't care.
Bro, man, you might chill out, man. You broke the camera with stupid ass.
Leave me alone.
You look sexy today. Oh, you bad. You a bad influence. You a bad person.
Move.
Babe, you can't be mad at all these damn pranks you doing on me. I ain't got time for you today, bro.
I ain't got time for you.
I got time for you. I'm finna watch it and watch my game. Guys, what do you think today? Is this a W or L, man?
L.
I know I did better. Shut your ass up.
It's a L.
I know I did better pranks than this, but I gotta start it off. I gotta crawl the wall. Trust me. I got worse prank than this coming. You know what I'm saying? I got worse prank coming. She's mad as hell. Why are you mad? Look how you mess up all this. Look at who finna clean up all this now.
You, because you the one took all of it out. I'm not putting it back in there.
I ain't got time for you, bro.
I don't have time for you.
I got time. I'm finna go cook something to eat. You finna get out my house right now.
Sure. I ain't going nowhere. You already know. I'm not going nowhere. Shoot.
Man, you slapped the shit out of my arm though. I ain't gonna lie.
Good.
Guys, everything is a good prank, man. Comment down below, let me know, man. Let me know also. Well, don't comment down below what that prank. DM me what that prank you want me to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to end this video right now. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm BBGANG. I'll see you guys in the next video.